Hey guys, welcome to Amaros. And yes, this is the 2 into 2 equal to 4th develop of the game development series of Save Shooter, which is a free Android game. If you are watching for the first time, then consider clicking the I button above you to get the whole series. And if you do not give a shit about my previous videos, then ladies and gentlemen, please tighten your seatbelt. Let's dive together into the amazing world of game development. Let's begin. So, in previous video, I introduced you to a new item in the game, Auto Gun, which I think is almost like a star of the game. I also showed you a pretty basic UI design, or I can say the UI prototype of the game, and also playtested it in my mobile. Also, I asked you all to tell me in the comments, should I use the two-way controller or the most common circular controller, by which you can move in all the directions. And yes, the response was pretty awesome. Okay, anyhow, I decided to go with what you guys said. Yes, the circular controller. So let me introduce you to that first. Here we go. So, in the lower left corner of the screen, you can see the main highlight, the circular controller. Wait, you can't see it? Let me zoom in. Still can't see? Let's zoom further. No, you still can't see it. I know, because I'm a father. Come on, zoom it, keep it coming, more. Yeah. Now, it's probably better, right? Ah. Anyhow, now you can use the circular controller to move in all the directions except for up. Spoiler alert, you will be able to move up soon. You know what I am talking about, right? No, don't tell lie. Yeah, I know. Okay, let's move forward. Now, I will show the whole new prototype of the UI design. And yes, this update of UI is really awesome because now not only it has fire, movement and weapon swapping buttons on the screen, but also has some new components. Also, finally, now the options and exit button also works, which I will show you in a second. But the new UI which are being added are: number 1, health. Yes, finally someone playing the game can now actually die. Actually, now I can officially call it a game because I can die. Strange. Why I wanna die? And because I can die, I also added an end screen or game over screen, which pops up at the end to realize you that how dumb and loser you are. Number 2, pause button. Yes, finally you can also go do your business or something that you do in the bathroom, which I don't wanna talk about, or can do your super ultra short unnecessary work in between your gameplay by pausing it, and your progress in the level will not lose. And from the word level, I can now reveal number 3, the level selector. Yes, now you can finally choose levels according to your status and play it. Means now you don't need to play all the levels from beginning. Once you cleared a level, it will unlock for the life of the game and you can play it whenever and wherever you want, except for in the toilet. No, it's a personal matter. If you want, you can do it. Just be sure that no one watches you. Okay, it's time to show you an overview of the UI prototype. So let's hop onto it. Here is the main menu, which you had already seen, so let's just ignore it. And here are the levels, which I told you about. And here is the main area where we play. So here is the pause button, points, the health bar, which I had already shown, the 2 fire buttons, the controller and the weapon swapping buttons. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so it's time to test in mobile. Let's go. So here we are. Here you can see now that the options button work and you can adjust the volume slider. Well, to adjust the volume, yeah, options has only one option, and if I press back, I will get back to main menu. And now if I play it will take me to the levels. Here you can see all levels are grayed out except the level 1 because level 1 is playable. Well, I have only one test level for now. Anyhow, if you clear level 1, automatically level 2 will be unlocked, and if I press the back button, it will again go back to main menu. Okay, now let's play and see how it looks in mobile. So here you can see I can shoot out shapes and bombs, swap out autogun and pistol, and move with the controller. But if you press the pause button, everything will stop and 3 options will appear, which anyone can understand if he or she knows to read English. Let's press resume for now. Also, you can see my health decreases by 1 if I shoot out bombs, but my points remain the same, and my points increases by 1 if I shoot anything other than bombs. And if my health becomes 0, the game over window pops up, and well, your game is over, and for the time being you can retry or quit. If I press retry, it will start the level again. Let's get to main menu from the pause menu. Yeah, that's it for the demo. Okay, now I will show you the new auto gun skin, which is really basic, means it is just made up of 2 colors only, but it is better than having one plain white color. So here is the new autogun skin. Looks pretty boring, right? But remember, it is a minimalistic game, so I don't want to overload the game with textures. Instead, I want to make the mechanics of the game feel the most awesome. Now it's time to add one more dimension to the game. Yeah, you guessed it. Yes, up and down means jump. Yes, it is the jump mechanics. I added a big fat jump button at the lower right of the screen. Okay, wait, you can't see it? Let me zoom in. Still can't see? Let's zoom further. No, you still can't see it. I know, because I'm a father. Come on, zoom it, keep it coming more. I can't do it anymore. Can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Can't do it anymore. Can't do it anymore. Oh. Can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Oh. Can't do it anymore. Can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. Anyhow, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like or dislike and say something in the comment section. Also, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell if you want to get my future content notifications. By saying that, I am signing off. Peace.